Kasunjuk Nonghikai SSA hakalama jong Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association MSSASA kalapan pau kajing sungo Kmen halor kerai jong Sorkar MDA2 lingba kajing yalang kenhun menteri menha ka arpulai terisau arja arpusau baan penjalan reta Haduh saupusan Snem yaki Nonghikai SSA ban Ïakhun haki Eksam tong Nonghikai ban Hikai haki school government LP school upper primary school lani secondary but higher secondary school. Habakran sikilat patai kubor din gajian kenduk association yang menteri rangba kajelau kondrat kesang ma hatura haka arpu pratri urisau araja arpusau uba Aristotle C rembai u president ulaong bakane kadai ka wei na gijing ajing mut ka association ya ka Sorkar hi haka jing dawa penrung kampura ya ki Nonghikai SSA Kumban Sukudau, baka jia lang kenhun menteri kalau menjur bagi Nonghikai SSA kim day ban palat ya ka sausan Snem ban Ïakhun ya ki Eksam Rung kam Hikai ban khot penlong da ka Sorkar jela. Kidan ar kenhun ki Nonghikai SSA ki badawa penurlong na ka Sorkar ya ki jingdawa jongki kata ka all Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association MSSASA ka badawa kan tiu tulap 4% ya ki Nonghikai bat ka Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association MSSASA ka badawa penrungkam ya ki Nonghikai SSA. Habakran sikilat patai kubor dangshan uba Peter Terniang u presiden ka MSSASA ulaong bakatay gijing pentip ka Sorkar jela kadai tang gijing pentame bat kam yahap kendiat ru bat gijing dawa ka association kata ban kentiu tulap 4% ya ki Nonghikai.
Today we the Meghalaya SSA School Association a central body we have just met the Honorable Chief Minister Konrad K. Sangma. Number one, we met him to express our sincere thanks and gratitude to the government under his leadership for the approval for the age relaxation to SSA teachers from 37 years to 45 years so that they will get a chance to apply for a government job in teaching profession at lower primary, upper primary, secondary and higher secondary level. Number two, during the meeting we have also discussed in length regarding the certain recommendation prepared by the Education Department pertaining to come up with a policy for job security of SSA teachers in the state of Meghalaya. The Honorable Chief Minister also informed us that his government are committed and are very positive regarding this issue. And very soon the government will invite us for further discussion regarding this matter before the government come up to a final conclusion. So based on today's meeting with the Honorable Chief Minister Sir Konrad K. Sangma, we feel that today's meeting is a very productive meeting and it's also a constructive meeting. And we do hope that in the coming days, the government will come out with a policy for the job security of SSA teachers in the state of Meghalaya as done in other states across the country. Number three, we would also like to express our sincere thanks to all the cabinet minister. As you all aware that a few days back we have met the cabinet minister seeking their support regarding this demand. So we from the Meghalaya SSA School Associations, we thanks all the cabinet ministers for the support during the cabinet meeting which was held at Risbalpara on 23rd of this month.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay Kmen. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ikadur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.